Alright, this is so weird. So, I just have my own meter connected to these two wires down here. This is my starter solenoid. I modified it because I had issues with the original factory style. So I changed it. This is actually for a Kawasaki Vulcan or Volusia, one of them. But yeah, for some reason, pushing this button, as you can see, nothing. And I can try and remote start it. Nothing. Now, watch this. Okay, I'm going to take my needle nose pliers here, go to these two, and come on. Someone explain that to me. What? What? That's confusing because I thought that I had maybe a broken wire somewhere between this switch and these wires, but no, like I said, I got 12 volts. So I'm wondering if this side of the solenoid is bad. So yes, you can have issues within the solenoid where it won't lift up, which I'm wondering if that's what's going on. Because when you put a jumper across it like that, well, maybe I shouldn't try and do that with the thing off, but when you put a jumper across it, come on. Come on. There we go. So I'm wondering if it's just a bad solenoid. Since I'm able to jump it like that, and I got power going in here, I'm wondering if it's just not magnetizing, lifting up, and allowing the two to bridge together. So I did order a new battery for this bike as well as a new solenoid, so hopefully that'll fix it. Oh, that was anticlimactic. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a rev before I end this video. I have to give a rev for my own sanity. Come on. Come on. Jeez. Look at that, it's starting to burn the tips of the nose of the needle nose. Is this on? No, it's not on choke. Let's see here. And everything's done right. Come on. Let's put the choke on. Alright, let's try and start it with the choke. Come on. Jeez. It's just heating up those needle nose. Wow, it smells like welding. It smells like welding rods. But yeah, let me try it one more time. There we go. Or not. Oh, come on. Is this going to be like a 12-minute video of me trying to start this thing again? Alright, let me take it off of choke. Start it back up. Right. Oh, come on. Alright, I'm only doing this one more time. Look at that. They got so hot they're melting parts of the saddlebag, but I gotta replace these anyway, so I'm not mad about it. Come on. Alright. See if I can gently turn the choke on. There we go. Alright, now let me give you guys a rev. So weird. But yeah, I think I just need to change my solenoid out and problem solved. I got a new solenoid coming, I have a new battery coming, I have new brakes for this coming. And I also went ahead and bought the gasket, but like I said, putting the gasket maker on here, I mean, I know it's crude, it looks horrible, but I am not getting any more leaks, and that's what matters most. So I am happy.